I'll go open the ribs over on the sink and let the meat juice drain out like my dear wife suggested. I just cut this end open here and drained it out on. I need to look at my procedure over here, and it says first I'm going to flip them over so I can peel off the membrane. I just got a bunch of paper towels because this is how we pull the membrane thing off. I use a paper towel to grip it.
Why? Because it's slimy?
It's slimy. Oh, there we go. Oh, you hear that noise? Mm-hmm. Oh, man. Alright, you gonna come off nicely?
What's the point of taking that off?
Because the dude on YouTube said to do it. The point is, it's kind of tough. So when we cook these, smoke these ribs, it'll be tenderer.
Ta-da!
That's one. I'll do the other two. I'm spreading meat juice all over the counter and all over the table and everything I touch because you like meat juice on everything.
You're being nice.
Take these guys out. There's two more slabs here. It starts easy on that bone right there. Call that one done. Coat the back with seasoning and let sit for 30 minutes. The better half here is going to take the rub that she made, which is, she's going to explain what's in it while she's doing this. Before she does that, what we do is we put the rub on the back side of the ribs, and then the ribs are going to sit for a half hour. We're going to turn them over and put the rub on the meat side of the ribs and let them sit for a half hour, and then they go on the Traeger. So what's in the rub?
There's kosher salt, a couple teaspoons of that, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of cayenne, celery salt.
We do one side,
okay,
let it sit for a half hour, then do the other side and let it sit for a half hour.
Oh, you know, one ingredient I didn't say, brown sugar.
And here's the other two racks. It's 10:30, so we'll flip them over at 11 and do the other side, the meat side, then put them on the grill at 11:30. It's all on the schedule right here. We have to follow, otherwise the whole world will blow up. It's 11 a.m., so it's time. She's going to flip these over and then put the rub on the meat side. You don't want to get that hand icky. You can wait on that one. Or not wait. These will go on the grill with the, what do you call it, the membrane side, which isn't on there anymore, down, and the meat side up. Yeah, last time we did these ribs were a 10 out of 10. My son and his girlfriend are coming over today. Our son and his girlfriend are coming over today. So we're doing the same thing, even though he's a foodie and really doesn't like sweet stuff, but these are going to be put on a bed of brown sugar, butter, and honey.
Yeah, but he'll eat brown butter cookies, so...
For the second phase of the cooking. Menu update in progress. Do not power off grill. Will reset. Oh, gee whiz. I hope this goes quick. Looks like the update is done. This thing's been barking at me to clean grill and clean the drip tray and all kinds of stuff, which I've done. I haven't figured out how to reset that, but I'm sure I will. Can't be that hard. I think it was 275. Push that button, ignite, and it says igniting. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. It smells good just like that.
Yeah.
We could eat it just like that. They're done. They're rare. These are going to cook for 2 hours like that.
We're a little behind schedule.
We just started, and we got that much time before I'm going to take them out and put them on the foil with the brown sugar, the butter, and the honey, and wrap them up and put them back in for another 2.5 hours. The next step, while the ribs are cooking on the Traeger, a double wrap of foil. These secret ingredients: brown sugar and honey. The last secret ingredient, butter. So when we pull the ribs off of the grill, they're going to go on to the brown sugar, honey, butter situation. Time to take the ribs off. Oh, look at that.
Looking good.
Oh, I have to flip it. Goes meat side down.
Man, that smells good.
Yes, it does smell good. They go back on for 2 hours.
All right.
Don't blow away.
I meant to tell you there's cinnamon in that rub too.
The timer went off on this thing, so these ribs are done. Looks like that right now. Bunch of foil. If I take the ribs off, they're not done with the other dishes. I think this has a warming setting. I might try that. The ribs are done. I'm gonna go to this keep warm. We have
So we're trying to do a whole bunch, so hopefully that'll
this chard. And she's gonna put that in there. And what is that? Is that chard also?
Yeah, these are the stems and onions, and that's the leaves of the chard. So you cut it all up separately and saute it.
And it's good. It's excellent.
It is quite excellent.
The ribs have been on keep warm for probably 10 or 15 minutes. It's making a lot of smoke. Oh man. Look at that. Looks pretty good. I really didn't do this right. This needs to be in a separate spot. Amateur. You're waiting for an accident to happen, huh?
I would have done it on the tray.
That looks pretty good. Very good. Here's the second one. Slab number 3. Getting there.
That was not
They're
very
falling
raving
apart.
review.
So nicely.
Yeah.
Kenny's like inhaling his.
Yeah, but he didn't say.
I've never seen a rib
Wow.
disappear that
He's
fast.
like, it's good.
Well, they're a little sweet, I will say. They're a
They
little
are sweet.
But very
Adriana.
tasty.
There's a spice in the barbecue sauce that I'm really liking, like cardamom-y.
Yeah, it is
Is
cardamom.
that? Yeah,
It's what?
cardamom.
Cardamom?
Yeah, I'm getting that too. What is the rub? Is there a rub? It was a barbecue sauce.
It's a rub and
Mamma mia.
extra stuff.
Do you like it, Elise?
It's cardamom-y.
Whatever that means.
I don't know what that is, but it's really, really good.
Oh, the Traeger just
Oh.
shut off.
This is so delicious. I love these.